Okay, so you're already trading. Once you're at Goldman Sachs, how did they develop your ability?
Well, publicly, these companies are public companies, so they're always going to say that they have official training programs. It's something, public companies have to show their shareholders that they're being responsible in training the people that they hire. So you do have an official training program that you go on in New York, which is pretty much sitting in a lecture theatre like we're here now for a couple of months. But also you're given a seat on the trading floor on Wall Street. To be honest, what you learn in that situation is really about applied finance, more that you would learn in a master's, but also the culture of the firm. And you get to meet everybody and all the right people in the US office. So you don't really learn how to trade or learn about your profession in practice. That's when you come back on the desk, and really, that's where you learn.
Okay. So you spent about 4 years at Goldman's. What were your highlights?
Highlights, well, walking onto the desk in the first week, where it's all hands to the pump because it was the tech boom. So this would have been June 2000. And where they just give you, it was crazy. So they just give you a pot of money. With me, it was $10 million to start. They say, learn how to trade. This guy next to you is going to teach you what to do. Press this button to buy, press this button to sell. And because it was the tech boom, it was, every day walking in with pretty much very little experience, saying, right, we're going to give you some responsibility today. After a couple of weeks, you're going to IPO this company. And I'm like, okay, so I'm on the other side of the IPO now that I'm used to. And then next day doing a rights issue, raising capital for companies. Next day selling stakes in companies for large shareholders and pension funds. So yeah, the first couple of months was a real baptism of fire. I thought I knew stuff. I didn't know anything until I walked onto that floor. I guess big trading situations. There's so many, but ones that really stand out. Probably during the tech boom, doing all the IPOs. 2001, September the 11th, huge situation in the market. The recessionary periods of 2002, and then the takeoff of the market in 03, 04.